We can't go back again. We were drowning in riches of all our sins. We can't go back again. We were drowning in riches of all our sins.
Yo, yo, what up, fam? How are we doing? How are we doing, fam? How are we doing? Is this a bull flag? It don't look like a bull flag. 8 figures. I don't think so. This is a reverse cup and handle. Cup and handle is the reverse cup and handle. Right? You see it, right? Cup and handle. Cup and handle. They gotcha. They gotcha. You know? Bit of a head and shoulders. Yeah, it looks like that. I'll tell you what, fam, we are having a hell of a time here at this FOMC party. As you can see behind me, the people have just been rocking out. We're waiting for the PAL news. I'm trying to find where we can watch it live. I mean, I guess they don't talk till tomorrow. I'm not sure. I guess there's no news today, or look at that S&P, maybe that S&P. By the way, we're gonna be here for the next 48 hours until we get the rate hike, fam. Sorry, 24 hours now left. Just partying our asses off. Beth Jindal, what's up? Thank you for that follow. It's Misty C. Thank you for that follow. If he crit you live, if you crit, thank you for that follow. Took me a while to get that one out, huh? Let's zoom out. We need to zoom out here. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good. Right there, I'll tell you that. Volatility is still. You know what I don't like? I think we're gonna have it here in a second. In 25 minutes, fam, we have the 18-hour. I don't like that. Another thing I don't like, which if you take out all the news, right? Take out all the news and all this stuff, 10-day looks absolutely horrible. 10-day has the move. I gotta look at this volatility right here. Flat candle, pivot, it's increasing here. Oh man, it's just gonna be brutal. They're just basically holding it up. You can see it here on the 10-day. 5-day increase in volatility. This one's still got some decent gas. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar is just, well, it's wickless at the top right now on the 5-day. Closes in 3 days. 10-day what, 3 days. Going back to 15-day, weekly, monthly. Got levels too here, fam. Got levels here. We got 112 is basically inevitable. If we close the monthly above 110, we're gonna get to see 120. 100%, fam. Quiet down back there. Fam. Quiet down. All right, chill. Go get yourselves a drink. Absolutely popping, fam. XRP 40 cents. I did 2 nights ago. I talked about Ripple. We should pull up the clip. Ripple was the best looking weekly close before we took the Bitcoin short. Kind of crazy, right? Kind of nuts. Monthly looks horrible. Horrible. XRP army. Ripple is usually the last one to go, right? That daily looks horrible. I mean, I just say short it, but we're at support, really. I mean, it's like they're just gonna fucking counter trade this shit up. Like they're trapping shorts and they're just gonna pump it up. I don't know where they're gonna pump it. That's what I'm afraid of. Maybe I'm overthinking it. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, so we got a 6-hour, looks hideous, 18-hour, and 12-hour increase in volatility. There's either a bounce or there's something coming. Huge drop. I think we're gonna knock out lows. Wouldn't that be something, fam? All those bottom inners. All those bottom inners, fam. You know what I'm saying? Gonna bounce right now. Trapped a few shorts. Gonna bounce right now. A little baby bounce. What's up, Varun? How we doing? We're just partying here, man. Just partying. Yo, check this out. Hop. 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 So they'll hold this level probably in 17 minutes. Nah, you didn't miss anything, Varun. I guess we can't even watch anything today. I thought there's something we could watch, but basic news. See what time it is. Okay. Yeah. There we go, right back up here now. Some brutal PA, fam. I'm not trading it right now. I'm not in a trade. I like last night I was at the close, I was saying how, and look how clean this is. It's crazy clean. 4 hour. Okay, here's the 4 hour. Just draw the 4 hour all the way back here. And get rid of this trend line and we'll zoom in. Look at the 4 hour. Where did we close last night? Under resistance. And I originally had a short. It's kind of flipping long at the close. We ended up closing under that 19,560 I talked about at the close on stream last night. And yeah, we're just right back down where we started. That's not a good sign right there. This is really not a good sign. And no volatility and increased volatility down. It's just heavy. It's the S&P is dropping it, right? So bad. I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable shorting right here. At least on the small time frames, it looks like we have a little bounce coming. I don't think that they're moving it too much, markets. We lose this on the hourly 18.8 890, then I'd look for 18.6. Hour full retrace. But it's not. Yeah. And I'm not gonna argue. Yeah, correct. 4 hour. You know, nothing to correct. Yep. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the party. If you haven't already been welcomed, we're partying up in here, fam. Let me just get back into it. There we go. Partying, charting. FOMC party. Also, the daily is almost at a full retrace, right? Let's zoom out. We got the nothing closing today, huh? 5-day closes in a couple days. 10 hours, what worries me? I'm like zoomed out to the 10 hour. Like, we're talking like big move. This worries me. It's either gonna bounce lower and flip upside down in the next 7 days. So, like, imagine a dip. We get a spring, and then we flip upside down in the next 7 days, which is, I don't know what probabilities want to give that. Or this 10-day, right? Drops and closes a 10-day somewhere down here, 16, 15K, and we go lower. I'd say it's 50-50 probability of each one. But if you can imagine, this 10-day looks horrible right now. We're going to get the rate hikes tomorrow, and we're going to see either a spring, and then we come back up and close this decent, maybe over 22K. We're talking about in the next 7 days on this 10-day candle, or we just continue lower, or we just, that's the 10-day, because the volatility right now on the 10-day has a pivot, huge pivot. That's a huge time frame pivot. You look at this rejection off resistance, 1, 2, very clean resistance here on the daily. That trend line. S&P looks hot dog it too. You know, I want to be optimistic that we're gonna come back up here, but not sure it happens. I mean, this is we haven't even hit this. We're not. I guess we're not gonna bounce this. But this would be my guess of being where they look for support, wherever that brings the Bitcoin. I think the dollar is more important. Dollar looks. I know, you tell me. You tell me how the dollar looks. Like, you tell me how the dollar looks. The daily. Tell me how the dollar looks on the weekly. I don't think people understand how this works. Like, they're like trying to call the top in the dollar. We're gonna zoom out here. Like the 5-day. 5 days of God chart. We're gonna look at the three drive pattern. This is a very typical sell pattern. It looks a little bit like a wedge, kind of wedgy, but it's not. You know what I'm saying? It looks like a wedge, but it's not. 3 drive sell pattern right here. 1, 2, 3. Just, and this is a huge head and shoulders type pattern. I mean, literally. So even if we do top, let's say we get to here, and so everyone knows we're right here. We're literally, we just passed this line. We're right here. This is back in 2001. Okay. And you can see how we hit that 112. That was the major resistance. That's what I'm watching for. So we're not even, we're in this bigger range right here. And then we'll get some rejection, maybe come down to 105. So we'll get a nice bounce. So let's say this happens, like this is 16K Bitcoin, possibly, maybe 14K Bitcoin. And then we get a bounce to what? 24, 25K. And then we get sent lower. And then we get, you know what I'm saying? We have bounces. So even if we do get to the top, or this is the top, whatever you want to call it, we're using history to figure this out. Right here, it's very clean. Like I said, we're right here. This is where you are in the mall, okay? This is where you are, that like sticker on the mall map. This is where you are. Understand, okay? There's going to be pullbacks and big giant waves and volatility. And that is what you can take advantage of, fam. This right here, this is huge swings. Huge swings, fam. You don't even got to take advantage of the whole thing. You know, we're going to break this shit down to the 4 hour time frame when it matters and when we get up here, because it's just going to be the same type of thing going on, fam. Same type of thing going on. So even if we get to the top, they're going to tap that top like 2-3 times over. Okay, this is over how long? People are like, oh, this bear market's ending next year. Okay, so if we're here and it ends here, we pass that spot. 785 days of an S&P bear market. That would be about 2 years. So party on there, calling dollar tops when I don't think so. Like when we get to the top of the dollar, we'll be spending a year and a half there at the top bouncing. Like I said, it's not going to be just like sit there a grind. It's not going to just be like this. There's going to be some huge relief, and that's what we got to take advantage of. This is a direct correlation to the S&P, the markets back then too, and it's the same thing that's going to happen to Bitcoin. Again, we come back over here to where we are in time. You are here. Remember where I said you are here on the 5-day? We're going to come up here, hopefully get some type of rejection, come down here, retest. That would be nice. That'd be a big swing. We're talking like 14K Bitcoin, maybe 28K. Like we got to, like I said, we'll go back and we'll study this. Maybe it's 22K. Sorry. That would probably be incorrect. Back in August 1st, what were yeah, we're close to like 23, 24K. So like maybe we get back to that 24K after we go lower though. I'm really expecting us to hit that 112 for seeing a pullback on the dollar. And like I said, this is going to happen over the next 2 years. Party on, fam. Party on. I mean, literally, there's so much money to be made just being a swing trader in this market. You only get like 4 of these in your lifetime. And right now we're seeing beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. We're watching the beginning of one, and really take advantage of it. I'm so glad I'm not in a trade. Oh God, this is like today's been one of the first days I've taken off from not trading, and I can't remember. Like honestly, haven't even been interested in a trade, and I'm so happy. I'm like so stress free. Like so stress free. And a lot of that just comes down to the volatility today. I'd just be checking my phone all the time. I'm just, oh, peace of mind, fam. I know 8 figures. I know that I'm allowed days off, and I have the discipline to take them. Tell you what, I'm taking them today, and I'll take it today and tomorrow. I'll see. We'll see at the party tomorrow when we're actually watching the rate hike announcement and shit, and we're going through like Twitter feed, and oh man, we'll see. We'll see if there's some great trade opportunities. Like maybe we'll spike up here to 20.7, and then we can short that, or maybe we'll get a quick drop that we can long on. Be some great opportunities after the rate hike tomorrow, maybe even after the close tomorrow. But I'll probably stay chilling most of the day tomorrow. If there is like a screaming opportunity, I'll grab it, but I'm chilling. I'm so happy. Like just watching this volatility today. A little pissed I didn't take a short up here. I could have easily taken a short this morning and just like held. But as soon as I missed that short, I'm just glad I haven't. It seems like I think we're gonna see lower. Pretty sure we're gonna see lower. We're gonna see lows tested real soon, fam. We're gonna see the lows tested real soon. I'm guessing. I would love to see that. I'd love to take the lows out and all the bottom people that are saying bottom in, which is just like stupid. It's just stupid. All those people that are saying bottom in on Bitcoin, they can just like eat their words. That's what. We're gonna close underneath resistance. Double check it. Right here, yeah. We're gonna see. Expect 885. Got 3 minutes though. Minutes on the 11,700 at the bottom. Someone stopped the dollar. Ninja, no one's stopping the dollar, unfortunately. Maybe China. China has a lot of dollars. I can see China stopping the dollar. But what was gonna say? Yo, we're gonna be dropping a bunch of shit tomorrow. We're gonna make sure the giveaway shit works. Right here. And we're gonna drop some shit tomorrow. Premium. Give out some crypto. When we're just watching the markets, we're just gonna be watching the markets. That's the whole party. Like, we're gonna literally watch the reaction of the market. I mean, look at this. This is crazy right now. Sinking, baby. Giveaways. There, it works now. It works now. So we'll give some shit away tomorrow as well. China is experimenting with the digital yuan in Australia soon. I hear premium. Awooks, yep, you heard it, baby. You heard it, Awooks. Did. Yeah, so I'm not gonna jump in it. I'm staying tradeless today. Just really enjoy it. If I get a bounce here again, this trend line, I'll probably just set some bids up here. 19.2. I'll put some bids at like 19.2 for a short. I think those are gonna be a bounce. Yes. Say 783. I also got the golden pocket down here somewhere. We're there. All right, so we're hitting the golden pocket. This second time will not be a significant bounce. Usually when that happens. So I just expect further, I guess. All right. So hold on 1 second. Oh yeah, where is it? Where's the music? Good question. Let's go. FOMC party, baby. Kind of a pre-party because I guess. Sorry, music. So what would make the most sense? To be honest, what would make the most sense is that we bounce hard. Bitcoin dominance bounces again. Right? We bounce hard. Bitcoin dominance bounces again. And leave alts in the dust, and then we dump hard again. That's what this is. This week's been ranging, so that's why alts have been grabbing the liquidity back. But this was pump and dump, pump and dump. That's what would make the most sense. Pump hard and dump. I'm talking like this week. Oh man. Giant head and shoulders, I'm telling you, fam. $10 days till the quarterly closes, fam. 10 days, fam. That ain't a bottom. I hate to tell it to you, that ain't a bottom. That's correct, Misty. From where? Yeah, this is actually a good long, I think. I think right now is a good long. Good long scalp. 100%, fam. 100% is a good long opportunity. Outside the BB bands, I'll be looking for the short though. I'll be looking for the short. I remember to sit properly. I put my back. You long to Wooks? Very nice, very nice. What's up, Twiggy? Florian. Pumper Dumpster, Florian. We were just talking about that. I said what makes sense for Bitcoin to do is to like pump hard and dump. But it doesn't mean that we wouldn't dump first. Personally, Bitcoin's just suffering. I think we're gonna see a little pump long scalp right now going into a bigger short swing, hopefully. That's what I think we're trying to see. Some type of short in this zone. 19.2 ideally. 19. BRB. Sorry. I got kids napping. I gotta make sure they're good. Kiddos are napping. I'll wait for S. Bounces too. Bounces too. It's taking a shit right now. Yeah, Twiggy. I think that's the narrative. I think that's the narrative, and I don't doubt that can happen. Like that's why I'm not trading right now. Like I might grab a short up here, but that's all I would do. All I would do. Yo, so tomorrow we're gonna be watching the markets, pal speak, all that good shit, fam. I'll be giving away premium, giving away some Solana. Remember, we're becoming Solana whales. Don't forget the mission. We're gonna become Solana whales, not Solana maxis, but Solana whales. Okay, that's the idea. That's the plan for 8 figures. I mean, maybe 8 figures could just be getting duped. Could be getting duped. Here we go. Here's a little pump to short. Fam. Yeah, all that good shit. Okay, all that good shit. I thought that we were gonna get to watch something today, but I guess there's nothing. Let's see here. Check my on television. Air has. Hold on a second. I think we're gonna. I don't know. I just somehow think we're gonna pump the day of the. We'll pump tomorrow and then we'll dump Thursday, Friday. I'm telling you, that's what's gonna. I think it's gonna be pump tomorrow, dump. Um, Nothing right now. Am I right? Yo, we're gonna go. Let's go raid our boy Kimba. And tomorrow we're gonna pick it back up. I'll be on tonight though. The close, you know it, fam. You know it. You know how we do. I bet you Kimba's on the same boat as me. He's just trying to find a short. He's hoping for a scam pump like me. We're hoping for a scam pump, fam. Scam pump before the dump. We don't want just straight dump. Scam pump, fam. Come on, join up in the raid, fam. Everyone join. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We need more people on this raid. Let's go. We're gonna go raid the Kimba family. Kimba gang.